How to use Wise Card in Philippines. First, open the Wise app on your phone or go to the Wise website or to create a free Wise account. If you don't already have one, complete the verification process by uploading your ID and proof of address. Add money to your Wise account in your preferred currency through one of the available payment methods in the app. Order your Wise card through the app by entering or confirming your mail address. The card will be delivered to you by mail. Once you receive your physical Wise card, activate it by either using it for a small payment or follow the activation steps in the Wise app. When in the Philippines, use your Wise card to pay for purchases in stores by tapping or inserting it at payment terminals. You can also use your digital card through Apple Pay or Google Pay for contactless payments. Always choose to pay in Philippine pesos rather than your home currency to get better exchange rates and avoid extra fees. You can withdraw cash in Philippine pesos at ATMs using your Wise card, keeping in mind you'll get some free withdrawals monthly before fees apply. Monitor your account balance and transactions in the app and use app features to freeze or unfreeze your card if needed. Subscribe.